Hello beauty, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you're right. If you're new in the house, hi, my name is your Diamond in the house and the beauty. If this is your first time coming across the channel, hi. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. You don't regret why you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please do go ahead, subscribe. Subscribe is free, guy. If you're my host, subscriber, my returning subscriber, hi. God bless you for always coming by to watch my video. Guys, if you wonder what you're seeing my eyebrow tutorial, just finished doing my eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be uploading it in few minutes time, guys. Go and watch it. For some of you that request for this video, I've already done this tutorial. You just check it out, go and watch it. Okay, let's dive right to the video. Okay guys, this is the foundation I'm going to be using today. My Life Pro waterproof foundation. I've already primed my face and moisturized my face, so we are going to be using this foundation right away. I don't want this foundation to stain my white, guys. Okay, I'm going to be dapping, dap, 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 dap. Guys, I have a story to tell, but not today. That video is going to be long, guys. A very, very long story. You guys know I've stayed out of YouTube for a very long time. Okay, let me just leave it for another video. That video is going to be long. For now, let's just concentrate on the makeup first. I'm going to be doing a video for that. For a year, I left YouTube, guys. Okay, I'm going to be using my Elegant Pro Concealer and the shade 10. I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eye. I'm using small amount, guys. Blend, 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 blend. Guys, like I said, I have a tutorial coming soon for highlight. Those of you that request for highlight tutorial, I'm going to be doing that. Okay. I'm going to taking it to my lid. I'm going to be using my Sasha Buttercup powder. I'm using it to bake the area where I light. Guys, today is Sunday. How was your Sunday? I hope you went to church. Ooh. Guys, I'm going to be using my bronzer from Revelation. I'm going to be using my Fit Me powder. I'm going to use it to set the oil on my face. Okay. Okay, we are going to move right to the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette we are going to be using today. First of all, we are going to be taking the shade called Not Shade. We are taking the shade Face to Full. Taking the shade. Shade is beautiful. So we are going to be taking the next shade. We are taking this brown shade here. On camera, this shade look like orange. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Ooh. So I'm going to be taking that shade here. Let's see how it's going to look. We're taking this white shade. It's not white anyway. Look like peach. Look like peach shade. Okay, we're going to be taking the darker shade we used before. It's a brown shade anyway. It's a brown shade. Oh my God, they look beautiful. Okay, I'm going to be smoking out under my eye. Dusting on the excess powder. going to be setting my face with my setting spray. I'm using my mascara. Happiness is free. Happiness is free. See me dancing now. See me dancing now. Okay. So I'm going to be using this purple lipstick and this pea shade. I think I'm obsessed with this purple lipstick these days. I think my lips look dry. Guys, my lips look dry. Okay, I'm going to be taking the shade. I'm going to use that as my blush. Guys, I'm going to be using my Mega Glow Highlight. Guys, the highlight is really glowing, beautiful. Guys, some of you request for eyelashes as well, so I have a lot of tutorial coming. Stay tuned for that, guys. So I'm going to be doing some eyelash tutorial. Voila. So okay, guys, this is the end of this makeup look. Oh my gosh, I look beautiful. Okay, if you haven't subscribed here, you're watching this time, what are you waiting for, lovely? Please do go ahead, support me by hit the subscribe button and turn on the YouTube notification whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to notify. Don't share with friends or family. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.